Hands got sweaty.
Go best friend, 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 go best friend. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it
This class is really fucking boring. But we're making it lit. That looks so bad. I'm so chubby. Wow.
They try to renegotiate and figure out what is the actual land.
Okay, how do you feel? Work it. He doesn't know it. Oh, he's getting a spot. Bye, it makes you feel better. Love you. I'm gonna text him this. I'm gonna text him. She thinks we're weird. So, oh my god, please don't staple my arm. I'm so scared. Wait, I can't go. Where is it? I don't understand. You have to go like, it like brings it. What? Like, pull it as hard as you can and basically try to make Yes. Yes, it's actually really hard. Oh my god. What if we have to restart? We have to restart our project. Thumbnail. You pour that pink. Squirt. No. Acting, bro. We already did it before. Oh my god, I don't want to tell her. She's a little salty because we're worried. I can't do it again. Hurry up. You know what? In our class with Valentina and Taylor. And maybe Natalia will join us. But she's like, Natalia's our friend. This is Natalia. She has a boyfriend. And she works at Sports Check. What else do we know about it? I'm the world's most wonderful painter. Oh, yeah, obviously. And what's your favorite color? Purple. That's not purple. What's blue? Are you colorblind? Probably. We're done. That wasn't funny. We're only leaving our class. Let's leave. Just go. No, Natalia. Oh, Natalia. We're good friends. We're gonna wait. Hurry up. It's like we're leaving. Oh. Sade. Matthew. Hi. Sade.
Wait, what is your Snapchat story? What is this?
No.
It's a vlog?
Yeah,
do you have
we're
a YouTube channel now?
Numbers. What? We changed our locker number.
You just found that out.
I'm being naughty. You guys, I have a number. You guys. Are you ready? Guess what? I jammed my finger. I've never had a number. 69. Oh my god, thumbnail. I got a number. Oh my god. Look, I'm the only one without a combo. Oh
I love how you're excited about this number.
It's a good number.
69 number. Hi, Natalia. Wait, I'm gonna. Okay, bye.
Farewell.
Film your vlog on Saturday.
Goodbye. Hi, Emily. Hi, Emily.
Daryl McNeil, young girl success. Ashton Daryl McNeil, young girl.
I will never get the life.
Yo, what's up? Val Taylor's vlog, whatever you call it.
Matthew, fall up the stairs.
Oh shit, my kneecap.
Thank you. I'm making.
Yo, what is this for? Is it YouTube or what?
It's just for fun. No, we just like to film.
We just like to film our lives.
We're not.
Film every day.
Yeah. We film our lives.
No, do you ever like watch them again?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a
I like
diary.
to edit them. It's like our journal. God.
Hey, angles. Work it. Angles. Oh.
I'm working on my squats every day I go.
This is sexist.
Relationship goal.
Sexist.
No, it's called you're a rapist.
I'm not a rapist.
It's coming out. We need to.
Oh, there's a battle.
We're having a duel.
How are our best friends break up?
Duel. Avery, why are you playing in the mud? Okay, let's go.
I'm not. Mom's gonna pick us up.
What am I doing?
Bye. Love you. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
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 Bye. Say bye.